to recover from your losses. If you have been struggling with forex losses, this is the best way to recover from it. And what is what is called market backtesting. This is what many traders ignore and not pay attention to. And exactly this is what I have just taken it upon myself to always put it out there for you so that you can learn and of course engineer yourself into profitability and into consistency. Follow me to the end and watch this video so you can learn exactly how you can keep avoiding losses. Do not forget, last week I of course gave us some setup, some trade like 4 to 5, and unfortunately this time around we have fewer of our trades that went our way. Yes, I will admit that, and I'll definitely tell you why and what we did work. Let's go into it and let's check them one after the other. Do not forget, I gave you this baby, GBPUSD. I looked into it from the longer time frame, which I believe is still gonna play out. However, but it's not. I looked into it and I told you guys that what I'm looking for a shot. I told you guys this is an edge, this is a shoulder, and that time market was around here. This is shoulder, so you're expecting me to expect this shoulder and then boom, come down. Unfortunately, this baby never did. I think I had just one entry on this, and then of course I had to cut short my losses on that. Secondly, you can see. Let me show you on a bigger time frame why this. Can you see that zone was a very strong zone? This is an area of concentration, AOC. You can see the AOC. You can see, but unfortunately, never played out. But for me, I still believe this GU should still definitely play out. Perhaps it's doing what we call liquidity gap or whatsoever. I cannot really tell. But right now, I still believe if this can be milked down, we should still possibly have a long shot on that. But we lost that last week. Not only that, I'll also show you another one. Okay, I think we won this. I gave you USD card, USD CSF. This was a longest buy, and we won this. We won this last week. It was around here. I guess market was around here. Yeah, I said I'm gonna be looking for a short buy. That please just position yourself for any position, position yourself for buy. You move and you come back here and keep buying. So we bought this severely and keep going and keep going. And I still believe it's still gonna be going up till it got to somewhere around here. So around here, and the exhaustion can come. Then we can begin to look for any reaction that we want to happen. That's the only trade. We want that. Let me check another one I gave you last week. If you also win that as well. Okay, I remember I gave you guys JPY. I can remember very vividly. Oh, this is very disappointing, and I would love to put an emphasis on this. Very disappointing. This is one of the mistakes I made last week. Now, knowing fully well that though I saw the reversal pattern, this 1, 2, 3, it shows what it's a reversal pattern, sometimes a continuation pattern. Aha, good. Having known that we have our last lower market break that structure and coming under it, I was expecting to just have a little bit up and of course react. But without having confirmation, I just entered. Yes, because of what I knew that what market will definitely want to fill up this daily. Let me show you. Can you see this daily candle we have here? Market should feel it come down, then move. But unfortunately, it never did. That was quite unfortunate. That's why I tell my student, I keep telling my student, see, something about the market is this. At times, market may be doing something regularly. Of course, you now evaluate or you formulate your formation, your formula around it that whenever it is 2 plus 2, it must be equals to 4. But I must tell you that in this financial market, 2 plus 2 can be equals to 4 for 6 months. In the seventh month, 2 plus 2 would just be equals to 5. I'll tell you that for free. I will tell you that for free. It will just be equals to 5, and you'll be like, oh my God, what's going on? That's exactly why it is difficult to understand. That's why people get it complicated. Oh, this is too difficult. I don't think it's for me. Yes, because of what the possibility that occur at times. Yeah, anything can just happen. This time market will fill it up and then go. But this time around, it failed to do that. Can you see? It failed to do that, and I had a huge loss. I lost on that. I took my position, and as well on this one too. I told us as well. This one too was quite clean. In fact, this one was even on our cycle level. This was quite clean at this point. I was able to boom to come there. Then from here, then now finally goes up. Let me show you on daily as well. This one was quite clean, but unfortunately we lost it. That's about 2 or 3. Can you see there? Can you see the last structure? See the last low we had the market break that structure. Then come back to this below here. Our AOC then fill it up, then boom. But never did that. This is crazy. I'm still baffled. I'm still gonna be studying this very well, look into it very well. But I knew what happened actually. What happened was just this three candle, one, two, three. We should have just waited for what confirmation. This place, what I can say is that overconfidence. Maybe because I have seen this two plus two over time equals equaling four, but I chose to what I chose to believe it like that. Even though I knew at the back of my mind the market could actually do something otherwise. If 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 for 99 times, of course, we definitely accept that what the 100 times will definitely still be 4, but market can shock you and just do it's equals to 6. And like, oh my God, what's going on? That is market for you. So because of the overconfidence, I will call that overconfidence actually. I will say that's overconfidence. So because of overconfidence, and I believe that was 2 plus 2 equals to 4, so that's why I lost this. I should just waited for confirmation to come down. Then from coming down, then push. You can just find an entry and confirmation entry. Then we are good. So that was how we were able to oh, to lost that, and then we couldn't catch up with it. So that was how that one went like that. So I hope you learned something from this, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and follow us on Telegram for more videos. I think this week we had about 20, about 14. We lost just one. That was the last one. We won 13 since our free signals. Our VIP is also free. You can request for it and join for free. So let's do this together, guys. The sky is too big for everyone to make money. Join us on Telegram and let's do this together. Thank you for joining me once again. I wish you a profitable week ahead and bye for now. Peace out.